Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this peppermint overload cake. Chocolate cake with a minty twist. Start by blending up 250 grams of butter. Next, add in 400 grams of icing sugar. We're adding half at a time. You can use an electric whisk for ease. Now separate your buttercream into 2 bowls. Add mint extract to one, and to the other, red food colour and cocoa powder. Pop those 2 buttercreams into piping bags. Now get a chocolate cake and pipe on the red buttercream in a spiral pattern. We're leaving a gap in between for the mint buttercream. Now place the second layer of cake on top and cover in red buttercream. Use a turntable for ease and then smooth it out. Time to get some candy canes. Snap off the ends and stick the straight bits all around the sides of the cake. Next, pipe alternating buttercreams onto some cling wrap to create a pinstripe pattern. Then carefully roll it up. Pop that into a piping bag so we can pipe on a pattern which matches the candy canes. Lovely. Let's decorate the top of the cake. And not to forget the pieces you broke off the candy canes earlier. Break them up even smaller and pop them in the middle. And there you have it, peppermint overload cake. Simply slice and enjoy.